জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
There is a saying, black will take no other hue. That means if you wash a piece of coal, still its blackness never fades. This girl never corrects herself. What's up? Will you leave yourself or do we need to push you out of the house again? Rangana, push her out.
Sanjukta, all of them are trying to kick Jasmine out of the house.
Yes, I can't figure out how I'm going to stop it in front of everyone.
Do something.
Charmin, get out. Just go from here.
Vicky, why is Jasmine standing like a rock? Why isn't she saying anything? Rangana won't be able to handle this cheeky girl alone. Pratima, you also go. Give her a hand.
Wait, Aunt. Aunt, don't say anything to Jasmine. Jasmine won't go anywhere.
Is Tripto asking Jasmine to stay back?
Listen, Tripto. What are you saying? Jasmine wouldn't go anywhere?
You heard me, Jeet. It's good that Jasmine herself has come here. How can it be possible if she leaves?
Seriously.
Deepu? Are you out of your mind? Are you saying that Jasmine's arrival is good? What are you saying? Have you given a thought about Nayan? What are you up to? Deepu, we really can't understand what you're saying.
I'll explain it, Aunt. Jasmine's arrival is somewhat good. She can tell the truth in front of everyone. The doubt you have for me in all your minds will be removed today. And only Jasmine can do it. Jasmine will disclose that I have no connection with her. Nayan, don't be scared about Jasmine's arrival. I was telling you time and again that everyone has a misunderstanding, didn't I? You'll see I'll put an end to this. Because Jasmine will say this in front of everyone, that I might have taken her to the hospital, but that was on humanitarian grounds. Not because of any relationship, Nayan. Jasmine, say it. For heaven's sake, please tell the truth.
As if Jasmine will tell the truth. What a joke.
Yes, Jasmine. Please don't stay quiet. Tell us, whatever Deepu is saying is true? Look, Jasmine. Whether Deepu's family stays or breaks depends on your yes or no today. If you say that Deepu hasn't done anything, then I must say that he is being criticized for no reason. His relationship with Nayan is about to break, Jasmine. Nayan is not able to accept this insult to Deepu, being a wife. For Lord's sake, Jasmine, please tell us the truth.
I haven't come here to lie, Mrs. Basu. I have lied a lot in my life. But today is not the time to lie anymore. I myself am facing a big truth. This truth has shaken me completely. I won't stay alive if I lie today, Mrs. Basu.
What happened? Why did you stop, Jasmine? What kind of truth is it that you won't be alive if you don't say it? Your voice sounds like you are crying right now. It's shaking. It's very difficult to lie while crying. So I wish to believe you, Jasmine. But I've seen your real face as well. I know you can lie without blinking your eyes. No one may know this. But I knew that you were framing your brother. No. You are not such a nice person to say the truth, Jasmine. Nevertheless, people change as the day passes. I hope you're growing the good sense in you. Tell us, Jasmine. Tell us the truth. Are you accepting that Dripto sir got you admitted to the hospital just out of courtesy?
I suddenly fainted in the middle of the road that day. So Dripto took me to the hospital.
Exactly. I was trying to say this exactly. But no one allowed me to say anything. I met her that day all of a sudden when she lost her consciousness. Then I took her.
Wow, Dripto. You told me to tell the truth and now you are lying.
Lie. Am I lying, Jasmine?
Aren't you? We didn't suddenly meet that day. You were supposed to take me to the hospital. That was the reason we met for. Did you really forget, or are you just lying to be good in Nayan's eyes?
What are you saying? Why would I take you to the hospital?
Dripto, can't you really understand anything? Are you really unable to get the reason behind taking me to the hospital? Or even after knowing you?
Jasmine, what rubbish are you saying?
You are the one who's speaking rubbish, Dripto. You are just looking away from me and trying to act innocent, isn't it? I knew it, Dripto. I was getting the feeling that you would change. After admitting me to the hospital, you left after seeing the reports, Dripto. After that, you never asked about me, Dripto. That is when my heart said that you would abandon me.
Careful. You won't say a single bad thing about Dripto sir anymore, Jasmine. Sir trusts everyone and gets abandoned many times, but has never abandoned anyone, nor will he do it as long as he's alive.
Dripto can't do it. Really? What if I say that Dripto has betrayed me and you as well?
Quiet. Just be quiet. What plot did you make before coming here? What's the agenda?
No, Nayan, wait. Let me understand first what she is trying to say. How will I understand it if she becomes quiet? Let her speak. I have to know what accusation she's been making on me. Now tell me, Jasmine, how did I betray you? No, tell me. You have to say it. You'll put false allegations about me, and do I have to listen to them quietly? Speak up.
Keep your voice down, Dripto. The way you are shouting is called Rogus Supplant Justice. I'll explain. I'll explain how you betrayed me. You just escaped after knowing what happened to me. You wanted to wash me away from your life, Dripto.
What happened, Jasmine? What can happen to you that Dripto escaped after knowing? Tell me, Jasmine. What can happen that a dutiful man like Dripto...
Dutiful? No, Mrs. Basu. That word can work for anyone, but not for this Dripto Basu. He has learned to dodge his responsibility.
What kind of responsibility? I don't understand. What responsibility are you talking about?
Of children. I'm expecting a child with Dripto, Mrs. Basu.
Friend, please take me near Jasmine.
Yes. Nayan, I can understand what you must be going through. If you want to talk to me personally, I will do that. Trust me, I can do that. I will also tell you how Dripto has faked his love for you and for me for so long. And then...
Where is the holy water, Aunt Pratima? Please wash my hand with holy water. My hand has become impure by touching this woman.
How dare you? How dare you raise your hand on me?
Oh no. What if Jasmine slaps Nayan in front of her out of rage? Then it won't take even a moment that she will lose all the sympathy. Sanjukta, stop her. Stop her.
It's not about daring, Jasmine. It's about belief. You've hurt Nayan's beliefs. A reaction was inevitable. How dare you bring such a nasty allegation on Deepu? Can someone blame such a human like this?
Grandma, believe me, I haven't done anything like this. You know me, I can't do anything like this. Believe me, please. Nayan, Nayan, your husband is not like that. trust me, I can't even imagine doing such things even in my dreams. Nayan, do not trust a single thing she says. None of you believe in what I'm saying, right? All you all are thinking is that I'm lying, right? None of you can accept what I am saying. Everything in my life is ruined by the false allegation. Everything. Everything. No. Everything got finished. Everything. Everything got ruined. I can't take it.
Sir, please stop,
Nayan,
sir.
hey, listen, careful.
Sir,
Come here.
Wait.
Come on.
Dripta, sir.
Come.
Wait.
What's the matter? What are you waiting for? Go upstairs and be with Dripto. Only then the game will be more fun.
Do not put a step forward to the upstairs.
This can't be true. Such a shame. I can't do this.
Dripta, sir.
Dripto!
Dripta, sir, where are you? Dripta, sir. Sir? Dripta, sir, open the door.
Dripto!
Sir. Grandmother.
Open the door!
Dripta. Deepu? Dripta, sir. Deepu.
Dripto! Please
Dripto.
open the door!
Sir.
Oh no. Everyone is showing so much concern. No, I have to do it too. Deepu! Why did you close the door, dear? Open it!
Sir.
No, I won't accept it, man. I won't accept it at all. What rubbish is Jasmine saying? She's putting false allegations on me. She's making false allegations. She's lying. And you can't imagine this. All the relatives, family members, friends and business associates, all of them will find out. Everyone will start hating me. Shame. Oh, no. This. It would be better for me to die than tolerate this.
No!
Yes. Yes, I'll die. I'll finish myself. I'll die.
Dripta, sir. Sir, I beg you. Please open the door. I'm begging you. Jeet, where are you?
Yes,
Jeet,
yes.
please do something.
Yes.
What if Dripta
Yes.
attempts something outrageous? Please do something.
Dripto, please open the door. Dripto, have you lost your mind? Please open the door, brother.
Dripta, sir.
How can I finish myself? How can I do this? How? With what should I end my life?
Only you use this scent, sir. And I can identify you among a crowd of people for the scent. There won't be any mistake.
Perfume. Perfume is basically a spirit. And it burns. If you put fire on it, it burns. Yes. The scent by which Nayan identifies me, I'll use that to pour it on me and put fire on myself. I'll finish myself. I'll finish myself.
Please open the door, sir.
Nayan, I cannot live with this rumor and shame. I just can't do it. I can't. I'm coming, Mother. I'm coming to you, Mother.